Hey guys, to my channel. In this video, I will show you top 5 command prompt commands in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, for using command prompts, you have to open command prompt window. So type command prompt. As you can see on the top here, you have to give a run as administrator permission. Select yes. Now, in this window, I will show you commands, and this command will help you navigate files, manage directories, and will make your work easier. So let's get started. Open dir. It will open directories. So type dir. I will show you the code on your Windows on your screen. Type dir. Okay. Now put in this here and press enter key. Now, basically, the dir command lists all the files and folders in the current directory. This will show you all the hidden folders as well as all the big size folder which you don't know, and you can also know the information about all the files and folders available on Windows. Now I will tell you the second, which is very important. Oh, just type cd and press the enter key. Now to change directory, use the cd command. For example, if you are in the C drive and want to enter a folder named documents, type cd documents and it will open the file. And now I will tell you the another command. Type cls and press the enter key. Uh, this clears the screen and make it look clean. Now I will show you how to create and delete folders using command prompts. Yes, you can do it directly. Type mkdir and you have to name your folder, so type new folder and press the enter key. Now it will make a new folder in your Windows 11. Now creating and deleting files. You can create a text file using echo command. So type echo hello cmd my file.txt. It will create a file and press the enter key. Now to use this file, you have to open your documents and it will show your new made text. Now to check your IP address, type ipconfig. It's a very helpful and it shows all the listed IP addresses as well as IP4 addresses that and your local ID. Type ipconfig and press the enter key. Now you can see here all the default gateway you can use and can watch on your command prompt. Now in the last not the least, you can use view file folder and you can delete your folder by typing rmdir. Just type rmdir and press the enter key. Now it will delete all the unnecessary files and folders made on this. You can also shut down your PC by clicking shut down, shut down /s /t and 0 and press the enter and it will shut down your PC and it will restart your PC. So guys, that's it. I hope you like my video and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one.